What's up, guys? So yeah, I don't have on any shirt on, but yeah, anyway. But yeah, I just feel sad today. I just feel down for no reason at all. Um, but I came out and I played some tennis. I'm here at the tennis center now. Just finished playing some tennis. My shirt is all wet. So this is it. When I'm upset, when I'm sad, my mind is blocked. There's just this wall where it doesn't allow me to express myself the way how I want to express myself to you guys. So that is causing some problem for me. It's like my mood is down, my energy, my vibe, everything is down. So I know I'm supposed to post a video today, and this will be the video, me just ranting and complaining. And I'm always encouraging you guys, to be happy, to stay focused, to stay healthy and stuff like that. And we're all humans, and it do happen to me sometime. I know a lot of you will understand, from that end, that we won't always be happy. And there are times like these when you just don't feel, you're not in the mood at all to do anything, whether it be make a video or whatever it is, you're just not doing move. So that's where I'm at right now. Hopefully I'll feel better by this weekend. I'm supposed to be getting my motherboard, so my PC my PC will finally be up and running. I won't have the graphics card, however, because yeah, I can't get a graphics card right now, but it can run without the graphics card. And I'll be transferring all my files, installing a new Adobe, I'm installing a new Adobe, what's it called, Premiere Pro, for video editing, to edit my videos. So all those stuff will be gone, but yeah, I'll still just edit still and put in stuff. But hopefully I can actually spend some time now and work on like my vlog intro and stuff like that, to make my my vlogs, the intro for my vlogs better, and try to do more vlogging now that I'm going to have a new computer and stuff like that. I have some exciting stuff coming up, probably going to New York soon. People, don't track me down, don't be like that crazy guy that shoot the girl in Orlando. I'm not famous or anything, so no, don't come after me. I'm dead serious. Yeah, the YouTuber that the guy shoot, I don't know the reason why he did that, but yeah, no, don't come hunt me down or do me anything. So I'm black and ugly already. I'm just playing, but I'm going to do some workout after tennis, do some ab work and stuff, because I'm trying to work off the big belly. Hope you guys okay. I just want to encourage you guys to keep focused. Yeah, just keep focused, work towards your dream, help a friend, encourage your family, loved ones, love yourself, love your family, spend time with them, share stuff with them, encourage them to do good and continue to strive, for the best. The thing is, family is important, and when you're not connected, to your family, it is sad. A lot of people don't have their family around to, to have that connection with. So just cherish the good time, cherish the good moments that you can, with your family and friends and loved one, and just enjoy the summer holidays, and enjoy each and every day. So that's my kind of encouragement to you guys. Stay focused, continue to support JVLOGS. I'm going to run right now, so yeah, most of you won't watch this, but anyway, thanks again to those who watch it. Yeah, that's about it. Later, peeps. I'm out.
No, no, no.